In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate using Runway ML. If you're new to Runway ML, it's a powerful tool that uses AI to help you generate stunning animations and visual content with ease. Whether you're a professional designer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through all the steps you need to bring your static images to life. The first thing you're going to do is head over to the Runway ML website. Open your web browser and navigate to the sign-in page of Runway ML, which is the starting point of our animation journey today. Once you're there, you'll want to log in using your Google account. This is a quick and secure way to access your Runway ML dashboard. Simply click on Log in with Google, and you'll be directed to select your Google account. Navigate through your available Google accounts and choose the one you'd like to use to access Runway ML. It's crucial to ensure you're comfortable and familiar with the account's security settings, as this is paramount for ensuring a safe online experience. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so let's get started. The first step in creating your animation is to upload an image. Look for the option that says Drop an image or click to upload. This feature makes it incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. You can simply drag your chosen image file into this space or click to open the file selector and find the image file on your computer. Choose an image that you think will make a great starting point for your animation. With your image uploaded, it's time to type in your prompt. This is where your creativity comes into play. Be as detailed as possible in describing what you'd like to animate. The more specific you are, the better the AI can understand your vision and craft an animation that meets your expectations. Take a moment to really think about the scene or action you want to depict and include those details in your prompt. Next, you'll need to select the duration of your animation. Consider how long you want your final animation to be. If it's a quick GIF for social media, a shorter duration might be best. If it's a longer piece for a presentation, you might want to opt for a longer duration. Runway ML gives you the flexibility to choose what works best for your project. After you've set the duration, it's time for the exciting part, generating your animation. Go ahead and click on the Generate button. This is where Runway ML will process your image and your prompt to create that stunning animation. Be patient as it loads. The time it takes can vary based on the complexity of your image and prompt, but the results are well worth the wait. And there you have it, you've just animated using Runway ML. This tool makes it accessible for anyone to bring still images to life through the power of AI. Feel free to experiment with different images and prompts to explore the endless possibilities of what you can create. Happy animating!